Okay, here's question 23 on the Foundation non-calculator paper. Let's read through the question. 5 schools sent students to a conference. One of the schools sent both boys and girls. This school sent 16 boys. The ratio of the number of boys, so the ratio of the number of boys it sent to the number of girls it sent was 1 to 2. The other 4 schools sent only girls, so the other 4 sent only girls. Each of the 5 schools sent the same number of students. Work out the total number of students sent to the conference by these 5 schools. Okay, so there's a lot of words in this question. Very few numbers, right? But there's a lot of wording in this question, so you need to start thinking it through. So 5 schools sent some students to a conference. One of the things is that each of the 5 schools sent the same number of students. So all 5 schools sent the same number of students. 4 of the schools sent only girls, but one of the schools sent both boys and girls, and this school sent 16 boys. Now the ratio of the number of boys it sent to the number of girls is 1 to 2. So boys was first and girls was second. Okay, so boys to girls, boys was first and girls was second, so 1 to 2. But the number of boys sent was 16. So the 1 part of the ratio represents the number of boys sent. That means the girls, twice as many girls were sent. So the number of girls sent is going to be 2 times 16. So the number of girls sent is equal to 2 times 16, which is 32. Right? So that means that the total boys and girls sent by this school is the 16 boys and then the 32 girls. And so altogether that's 48 boys and girls sent by this school. But because all schools send the same number, right, that means that the total number of all students, let's just check that that's what they're asking. Work out the total number of students sent to the conference by the 5 schools. So the total number of students sent by all 5 schools, that's going to be equal to 5 times 48, because they all send the same number of students. So I need to work out 5 times 48. 48 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So 0, carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4, 24. So 5 times 48 is 240 students. Now this question is worth 4 marks altogether, and in terms of getting the full marks for this, this is quite doable. Even though there's a lot of writing in the question, it's easy to sort of work systematically through each stage and work out your total and work out the fact that it is 240 students altogether. Go through this a couple of times, make sure you understand it, and make sure you can do it yourself.